It's time I finally exposed dropshipping. Is dropshipping dead? Is it really worth your time even trying or learning about it? Let's talk about it. I have grown multiple online businesses and have personally made millions of dollars in sales, and things have changed since I first started. If you try dropshipping with these outdated methods that all these gurus are talking about on YouTube, you are almost guaranteed to fail. I want you to get into the online business game having this knowledge that I'm about to tell you today. I'm gonna break down exactly what I did to be successful and what you need to avoid if you want to be successful in this business model too. First of all, no, dropshipping is not dead. Dropshipping is just a fulfillment type. Therefore, when you start an online store, nobody actually knows that you're dropshipping, unless you actually make it obvious, which we will talk about in this video today. There's one method in particular which is so outdated that I can't even believe people are still talking about here on YouTube. Dropshipping gurus will tell you to start what's called a general store. This is basically a store with a variety of different products with every single industry you can think of. The logic behind this strategy was that you can experiment with all of the different products until you find one that works. Sell as many of those as possible and then move on to the next product. But the big problem with this is that you are not building a brand. With this business model, you are only trying to make quick money. When I was 16 years old, this was the first time that I actually made money online. The first online store that I ever created was a dropshipping store, and I started it as a beginner too. So all I was focused on was just selling trending items and just trying to get sales on anything that I could. I just sold things that I knew were eye-catching, and I honestly cared very little about any long-term results. I just wanted to make quick money. I sold crop tops, phone cases, anything that I knew I was able to just get quick sales on. I called my online store Shop Luxury, so I was able to just sell a bunch of different products. And then I promoted it all through organic reach on Twitter, which is now known as X, using supplier photos and catchy captions, without buying any ads. Even though I was making money, things were getting really disorganized. I was getting a bunch of chargebacks. I didn't have control over the actual products, poor quality of the products. The poor quality of the products then led to poor complaints, and so many other headaches. I had to close my store down at that point, and the main reason behind that was because I simply just never built a real business. My entire business was just focused on putting products out there, making some tweets, getting sales, and I only focused on the money itself and not the customers. To be honest, this experience definitely crushed me because I really said, wow, like how am I ever gonna really build a real business again? And I actually got out of e-commerce for a couple years after that. But eventually I realized drop shipping is not dead, but just the way I was doing it was dead. This is the kind of method that I would call traditional drop shipping. But like I always say, it's never a failure, always a lesson. So in 2020, when I decided to go all in on e-commerce again, I took all of these mistakes that I learned and I started new online stores. But instead of using Twitter, I was using video content, mainly TikTok and Instagram Reels. I built real brands and I genuinely cared about my customers' experience and about my stores. 2 years, I made over $1 million. Again, with no ads, all organic marketing. I am now going to be going over these 5 main principles in having a successful online store. And no matter what type of online store that you're thinking about starting, you can apply these principles to whatever you're doing. You already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses, and all I ask in return for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. I got you. Principle number 1. In the beginning of your online business journey, you should have one goal in mind, which is picking a specific niche or theme for your store and find winning products. I want you to first identify your target audience. Your target audience is gonna look different than my target audience. And all the other stores have all different target audiences. For a practice, you can go on to other online stores and see and check and see, okay, what is their target audience? I want you to pick something that you personally have relation to, or at least some knowledge about. This is the first thing that you should be establishing and figuring out. For example, I've seen people selling products for dogs and they've never had a pet in their life. How can you sell a product for dogs if you yourself have never had a pet and you don't even really know your target audience like that? If you do not have this picked out and you are not confident with this, in the beginning, you are almost destined to fail in dropshipping. And in online business for that matter. Principle number 2 is I want you to genuinely care about what you are doing. I want you to find purpose in what you are doing. This might sound cliche, but I myself cared very little when I started my first dropshipping store that eventually failed. I didn't care about the customers themselves. I didn't see them as people. I only cared about just making quick money online and just trying to make money. If you're in it to make quick money, even if you do make money, it will not be sustainable long term. And believe it or not, if you care about your online store, it will show. People can literally tell just from your content, just from your online store, just from what you put out, if you care or not about your online store, even if you don't think so. Principle number 3, I need you to take your suppliers and shipment times very seriously. As you know from my story, I did not take my suppliers seriously. I did not take my shipment times seriously. I sold whatever I could find on AliExpress, whatever looked cool. I didn't care about the shipment times. I just added it to my website and just got going. If you have launch shipment times over 15 days and low quality suppliers, and you're not checking the products that you're selling and you just don't care, you're going to face a lot of headaches and problems in your business. I would see a cheap AliExpress listing, $1 to $2, and be, oh, perfect. I can make $20 on this product. I don't care that it's $3 and it takes 5 months to ship. Let's go ahead and just add it to my store. And again, this caused me so many problems. So let me show you how to actually find a winning product. Of course, you can't find good suppliers on AliExpress and Alibaba, but I do want to show you my updated method of what I now do on how to find good quality suppliers, winning products, and fast shipment times. So this is one of the best systems that I've been using for a while now, which is called AutoDS. They have built-in product search features on their website here under Marketplace. There's 3 main product research sections that they have here that I use for my own product research. They have the handpicked products, ad spy, and trending products here. The handpicked products tab is where you can find all the different products that AutoDS has available. And you can even see they have a bunch of different categories here. You can narrow down your search by country, price range, and category here. They also have this fast shipping button, which will show you all the products with the fastest shipment times. And you can see here, these products have crazy fast shipment times, sometimes around 2 days. They also update this daily, so you can always find new products added here. And when you actually pull up a product that you're interested in, if you scroll down, you're gonna see all the data here, which gives you insight on how to price the product, shows you what the profit of the product is, who the target audience is, and even shows competitors that are selling it right now. So here's the spy tool if you guys wanna see it. It's called the ad spy again, and it's a tool that allows you to oversee all the different ads that are active right now. So you're literally spying on different ads. So you get the insights on what's trending already and just gives you inspiration on products that you can add to your store. Another thing that is literally so important is AutoDS also automates your entire online store for you. So once you get a sale, your supplier will ship that product straight to the buyer and you will keep the profits. And you don't have to actually do that extra work on your end like I used to. I used to literally copy and paste all of the customer's information to the supplier, and that would honestly add a day or 2 days of just me copying and pasting orders. And again, this setup is just not sustainable long term. In terms of branding products, AutoDS also has this product customization option, meaning that you can brand your products directly through here and add even more value to the products as you grow your brand. Now, to be honest, AutoDS is not a free platform, but I did get a link that gets you an entire month free with AutoDS. I did put that link down in my description box down below and in the top comment as well for you guys. They do also have a lot of affordable options, so even as a beginner, this is gonna be so worth it for you because you're gonna be able to just have so many more features that I didn't have in the beginning of my journey. And it's really just what's gonna set you up for success long term, since your supplier, shipping times, and product quality is so important. It's almost one of the most important components of your online store. Principle number 4 to succeed in dropshipping is I want you to go the extra mile. I need you to take this business seriously. Going the extra mile is gonna get you way further than everybody else in this game. And let me explain to you what I'm actually talking about. So 90% of people that start dropshipping, they want to do the bare minimum, but you're not. And when I say going the extra mile, I mean taking product photos yourself. You can do it on your iPhone. You don't have to have a fancy camera. Taking actual videos of your products, ordering the sample of the product that you're selling, putting your unique spins on products. This is all a part of your branding, and it's what's gonna make you look more reliable and stand out. 90% of people that get in dropshipping, again, are not going to do this because they just want to take the easy way out. But if you put a little bit more work in up front and actually make this look like an actual brand and make it look official, you are gonna go so much further. Like I always say, you wanna do the things that 99% of people won't do. Principle number 5 in succeeding in this business model is not buying ads and learning organic marketing. I cannot stress this enough. Again, 90% of people that start dropshipping want to take the lazy way in, and they just think, oh, I'm going to spend $1,000 in ads. I'm just going to spend my life savings on ads. And they think that they're just going to use some basic picture from the supplier, buy the ad, not know what they're doing. And guess what? Their $1,000 are now gone. Their savings is now gone. And they're feeling discouraged because they didn't get any sales. And as a beginner, you now have just lost your chance of succeeding in dropshipping, and you now have to start from scratch with less money in your pockets. Keep your money, keep your coins in your pockets, because guess what, guys? Marketing is free. And the only time that people are telling you to just buy ads is because they don't actually know how to organic market. They've never done it themselves. They don't know. So it's the easiest way to teach you is just to buy ads. They don't care about your pockets, but I do, because I know how it feels to be broke when you're first starting out. And I just cannot stress this enough that you can literally market for free, but again, you just have to spend a little bit more time in the beginning to actually learn the skill and achieve that. Thanks to the power of social media, you no longer have to spend thousands of dollars on ads. And when I say social media, I do not mean that you have to start taking videos of yourself and talking and being this big social person. I really just mean mastering faceless content, taking high quality videos with good lighting of your products, testing out different hooks in your videos, and just get started posting. You can start with 0 followers. I started all of my accounts from 0 followers, and I now have over 15 million followers across all of my accounts. I didn't spend a dime on marketing. I didn't have to buy a big expensive camera to start. I just got started. I recorded videos on my phone and I kept practicing, seeing what did good, posted to as many social media platforms as I could. My main ones, again, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and use those as a funnel to your online store. The beauty behind this as well is because as you are getting sales, you are also growing your brand and business in the social media world. If you take a look at the amount of businesses that have blown up in these past 4 years, it's all from vertical video content creation. It's just a skill, and you can learn a skill just like you can learn any skill in life. I wasn't good at social media either at first, but I learned. And I did that through consistent practicing and just being on the platforms and learning and trying to master them and making that conscious choice every single day. With online business, it's 25% the product, 75% how you market them. So this is extremely important. And if you want a more hands-on lesson about this, definitely make sure you watch my full 1-hour free course that I created for you guys just about dropshipping, where I actually go into depth and I physically show you how to create content for your dropshipping products. I'll link that in my description box as well and on the screen. Now that I have just exposed these 5 main principles of what's gonna make you actually successful in the dropshipping world, you now should be ready to conquer the online business game and dive right in. Again, you already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses, and all I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. Make sure you're following me on Instagram as well at BaddieandBiz, BaddieandBiz for more business inspiration and updates. Wishing you all the best with your online business journeys, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye everyone.